SBEV stock analysis and SBEV stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm observing Splash Beverage Group stock sitting at 19 cents. It is 18.8% up. Bro, like relatively observing this is just awful bearish trend, to be perfectly honest with you. I mean, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses, mentorships, and I'm not even exaggerating when I say I've seen this happen thousands of times. Like even from my previous video, if you watched it when it was up, I said double break and I'm taking things low. Started to gap down. Now it's maybe filling in the little gaps here and whatnot. But still, if I see my proper shift, then and only then I'm taking things low after that. So I'm not going to force anything. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. And that's about how Splash Beverage Group looks like for me. So I'll definitely keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.